Hello students, I hope you all are well at home. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Numbers play an important role in our day-to-day life. For example, find the student in particular class, tell what and count money, pay the bill, etc. In previous classes you studied learn about numbers. So in this class we will learn place value and face value of digit in numbers and Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So let's see the slide. Place value and face value of a number. Place value. Place value of a digit of a number depends upon its position in the number, and face value of a digit does not depend upon its position in number. For example, we have a number is 25,486. The face value of 5 is equal to 5 and the place value of 5 is equal to 5 multiplied 1000 is equal to 5000. Now one more example is there. Place value of 1 is equal to digit multiply 1 and place value of tens is equal to digit multiply tens and place value of hundreds is equal to digit multiply 100 and place value of 1000 is equal to digit multiply 1000. Now Indian place value system. There are two methods of numeration. First is Indian place value system of numeration and second is international place value system of numeration. There are 4 periods. First period is ones. In ones period there are 3 groups, that are ones, tens and 100. Now second period is 1000. There are 2 groups, 1000 and 10,000. Now third period is lakhs. There are 2 groups, that are lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now fourth period is crore. There are 2 groups, that are crores and 10 crores. Now one example is there. How can we read in Indian system? 63 crore 21 lakh 49,785. Now international place value system. There are also many periods. First period is ones period. In ones period there are 3 groups, that are ones, tens and 100. Now second period is 1000. There are also 3 groups, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now third period is millions. There are also 3 groups, 1 millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now how can we read an international place value system? So one example is here. 632,149,785. Now comparison between Indian and international system. Now see here, Indian system and international system. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place. They both are same, but in Indian system after 10,000 place comes lakhs, then 10 lakh, then crore, then 10 crore. Then international system after 10,000 comes 100,000, after this comes millions. then 10 millions, then 100 millions. Now Indian system and international system of numeration. How can we put the commas in Indian system and international system? So see here, for example, 63 crore 21 lakh 49,785. So put the comma after 3 digit, then put the comma after 2 digit, then put the comma after 2 digit. After this, international system using commas. 632,149,785. So in international system we will put the comma after 3 digit, then after 3 digit, then after 3 digit. Now I hope you all are understood this topic very well. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye.